Yeah, it definitely needs the chain tensioner back on there. Keep that from jumping around. And we're gonna take it for a quick up and down the block and see what that did. Huh. If the temp sensor is correct, and all our settings seem correct, I mean, that only leaves one logical explanation. We need more power. We need a bigger controller. We need a bigger motor. We need a bigger battery. We got the JBD BMS settings at 100 amps, I believe. So we're going to turn the battery down. To 85 because I've seen it drawing almost 90 amps out of it. So we're going to put it to 85 and then see how it does with that.